also got my money. All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
So now that I taken off my makeup, I make sure I took it off again with my makeup wipey. I go with my Clinique clarifying lotion, that's what it's called in here, and it is the baby size because it was like the first time that I tried it, so I always get like baby sizes whenever I'm trying new products, and I just put it in a little circular motions, and that helps take off any dead skin, and also it just cleans your face. It takes off like the extra dirt. Supposedly I already took off my makeup, but in here I'm still picking up some dirt and picking up some like makeup and stuff. So I love doing this type at night because I just feel like after I shower and stuff, I feel so clean. Like it's like another step. I'm taking off another layer of dirt. If you guys have any other favorites like for toners and stuff like that, then comment down below, because I mean this one's really good, but I mean if I could find one that's a little bit more like not that expensive, then I want to try it out. Then I'm going with some Clinique moisturizing lotion, and it's the same like I said, the baby size, but it's like the type of product like you don't really need a lot. I put like a little dot at my finger. Well, this is kind of a lot compared to what I usually put. It goes like a long way. Like meanwhile that's kind of setting into the skin, I'm gonna start with the eyebrows. Even when I don't really want to do my makeup and stuff, I always want to go over my eyebrows and put a little bit of mascara, and that's it. At least, you know, like those like main points in your face.
I know I don't deserve it, but stay with me a minute, I swear.
So the next step that I do after I fill in my eyebrows, I go with my Milani foundation. I usually try to use a concealer, that way it won't be as heavy, but I ran out of my concealer. I can't find it, that's the honest truth.
I know that you got everything, but I got nothing here without you. So last time I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise today I let you go. When you got hurt.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that, even if whatever, just leave it like that. And next is eyes. I'm going to try to do my eyes. I'm gonna put a very light orange shade. What I'm trying to say is that I won't put so much like how I usually do sometimes, like put like a bunch of orange, like make the orange very noticeable. I just want it just to be like normal, like, you know. Step is eyeliner. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's the eyeliner I've been using since like forever. I'm gonna do a simple wing, and that's pretty much it.
A few moments later.
That's part of our everyday routine, you guys. I never finish my makeup at home, that's the truth. So if I would have just filmed that, that would have been a lie. Always, oh my song.
You're gonna get copyrighted.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it because then the whole video is gonna be me singing. So I'm almost done. I just put the concealer. Yeah, Danny's demonstrating you the way I put on my makeup. The only thing I'm missing is just mascara, because it looks just weird that I put fake eyelashes and I didn't like mix it with my natural lashes. And a little bit of lipstick, and we're done. Well, powder. I don't really put a lot of powder now, because since I have very dry skin, I feel like that just makes it worse. So
Bang bang. Wait, why'd you take off my song?
We're late already. Ariana Grande made us late.
That's my song. If you want it, smell like Cheetos.
What?
I was a liar, I gave into the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm